Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 1 of daily math. And we're going to do this first problem here. It is a division problem. And we are just going to use our long division skills. All right, so 6 is too small. So now we're going to look at 63. So 8 goes into 63 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract, you get 7. Bring down your 1. 8 goes into 71 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract, you get 7. Bring down your 2. And our new number is 72. 8 goes into 72 9 times. 9 times 8 is 72. Subtract, you get 0. So our quotient or answer is 789. All right, number 2, list the factors of 61. Okay, so remember we're going to start with our bookends. 1 is our smallest factor and 61 is the largest. And then we kind of need to check the numbers in between. Because 61 is odd, we can cross off all the even numbers. There's no even number that would work. So then we just need to check our odd numbers. Will 3 work? No. Will 5? No. Will 7? No. Will 9? No. Nothing else works. So these are the only 2 factors. So that makes this a prime number because it only has 2 factors, 1 in itself. All right, the next problem is round 241,458 to the nearest 10. So our 5 is in the tens place. So we look behind the 5 and it's an 8. So that tells us to change the 5 to a 6 to round up. The numbers in front of the 5 stay the same. So 241,400, the 5 becomes a 6 and the 8 becomes a 0. So 460. So 241,460. All right, our next problem is a perimeter problem. It says the perimeter of a kitchen is 528 inches. If the width of the kitchen is 120 inches, what is the length of the kitchen? So I know the total perimeter is 528 inches. I know that one side is 120 inches. That makes this side also 120 inches. So remember, this is 3 steps. So the first step is to add what we already have. So we already used 120 twice. So that gives us 240. We started with 528, and I need to subtract 240. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 4 you can't do, so this 5 becomes a 4 and the 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So now I have 288 to share between 2 sides. So now I'm going to do a division problem. 288 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down your 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down your 8. 4 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And our final answer is 144. So the length is 144 inches. All right, I will see you tomorrow for more daily math.